They say light chases away the darkness. But what if your attitude is so dark, even shadows are scared to stay? This is not just a vibe, it's a mindset. If you're tired of being misunderstood, overlooked, or underestimated, then welcome to the energy they can't handle. Dark attitude isn't about being rude. It's about being unbothered, unreadable, and untouchable. You don't need to talk much. You don't need to explain yourself. People can feel your energy before you even say a word. It's silent power, controlled fire, the storm that never needs to announce its arrival. See TION2 where it comes from. Most people develop this edge after pain, after betrayal, after losing people they thought were real. They didn't ask for the dark, but they learned to live in it. And in that darkness, they found power. If life's been testing you lately, maybe it's building that version of you. TION3, how to develop this energy. Number 1, silence is your weapon. You don't need to clap back. Just level up. Number 2, move in mystery. Don't overshare. Let your results speak. Number 3, self-respect is non-negotiable. Stop letting people get comfortable disrespecting you. Number 4, appearance matters. Look like the version of you that already made it. TION4 when they notice. They'll feel it. The same people who once ignored you will be watching from the sidelines. Confused, curious, maybe even scared. That's when you'll know you didn't change to impress them. You evolved to protect your peace. BONUSTIP. Bonus tip. The real ones will never fear your darkness. They'll respect it because they know you earned it. If this message hit different, subscribe for more raw mindset content. Drop a comment. No more playing nice. And remember, when your attitude gets darker, your vision gets clearer.